مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin. مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome to this lesson in Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic, describing personality, stupid, annoying, and silly. How to say such adjectives in Lebanese. Let's go, yalla. You might know the adjective zaki, which is straightforward, and it means smart. Zaki, in the feminine, zakiyi, in the plural, azkiya. Zaki, zakiyi, azkiya. A step up from zaki to say someone is a genius, عبقري. عبقري. In the feminine, عبقري. In the plural, عباقرة. عبقري. عبقري. عباقرة. A step up as well from genius to say someone is the genius of their time, literally. We use the expression فلتت زمانه. فلتي is someone literally who's one of a kind, someone who's strayed from everyone else, but in a rather positive and good way. When we use the verb falat, means something has let go or gone loose, but within this context, it's in a good, positive sense. فلتت زمانه. فلتت زمانه. فلتت زمانه in the plural. Stupid. غبي. غبي. أغبية. غبي. غبي. أغبية. We also have the common adjective in colloquial أهبل, which is very common. أهبل. هبلة. هبل. أهبل. هبلة. هبل. And an even more offensive adjective to say someone stupid, مجدوب. مجدوبة. مجدوبين. مجدوب. مجدوبة. مجدوبين. They're stupid, they don't know what's going on. And a step up is مسطول, which you might know the word subtle is a bucket. Someone literally with a bucket on their head and they don't know what's going on. مسطول, مسطولة, مسطولين. And this expression could be also used to describe someone who's under the influence of drugs, for example. Someone who's gullible, على نيته. نية is intention. نيات is intention. So على نيته, he's basically got very pure or simple intentions. He hasn't got any plans. In the feminine, it would be على نياتا, their intentions. In the plural, على نياتون, their intentions. To say someone is silly, trivial, ridiculous, or petty, we can use the word سخيف. سخيف. سخيفة, سخفة, or سخاف in the plural. سخيف, سخيفة, سخفة, أو سخاف. Similarly, a synonym is تافه. تافه. تافهة. تافهين تافه تافهة تافهين. Someone who's pathetic and woeful. مثير للشفقة. مثير للشفقة. شفقة is having pity basically. When you say something is مثير للاهتمام, it entices interest. مثير للشفقة, it entices being pathetic or pity. It arouses that feeling basically. So هو مثير للشفقة. هي مثيرة للشفقة. هن مثيرين للشفقة. So it's basically the word مثير plus the lam plus the noun شفقة, which is pity. Someone who's funny, مضحك, مضحكة, مضحكين, مضحك, مضحكة, مضحكين. And you might know the verb ضحك is to laugh. أنا عم أضحك, I'm laughing. We have a very common adjective in Lebanese, which is مهضوم. That's very well known, and we use it to describe someone who's cute, sweet, funny, likable. It could be a child, it could be a person that jokes around, a person who's fun to be around. It actually comes from the verb hadam, to digest. So something or someone literally that is digestible in a sense that they're palatable or likable. So we use that expression. مهضوم, مهضومة, مهضومين. مهضوم with the emphatic the, مهضومة, مهضومين. زنخ. You might know zanacha is grease when you're cooking something. So زنخ, someone literally he's annoying. You wouldn't want grease in your food. Or on your skin, like literally. So زنخ is someone who's annoying. You don't want to be next to him. زنخ, زنخة, زنخين, زنخ, زنخة, زنخين. In English, I don't know, maybe you'd say someone like who's annoying or irritating. Similarly, سئيل. They're not funny as well, they're annoying. سئيل, like ما تمزح معي, أنت سئيل. Don't joke with me, you're not funny, you're annoying, أنت سئيل. سئيلة, سئيلين, سؤلة. سئيل, سئيلة, سئيلين, سؤلة. And the basic word for annoying is مزعج, مزعج. مزعجة, مزعجين. مزعج, مزعجة, مزعجين. أنت مزعج, you're annoying. ما تزعجني, don't annoy me, using the verb form. And an expression used to describe someone who's literally one piece. فرد شأفة. شأفة is a piece. فرد means literally one. So فرد شأفة, one piece, stiff. They're not approachable or friendly. They're not someone who you want to joke around and make friends with. هو فرد شأفة. هي فرد شأفة. هني فرد شأفة. We don't really change it. It stays the same. هيدا كان كل شيء وشكرا لكم لانتباهكم.
Wanna learn Lebanese colloquial Arabic from zero and from lesson 1? No previous knowledge whatsoever of Arabic is needed. These courses are handcrafted to get you speaking Lebanese from day one, from beginner to intermediate level, with complete peace of mind, quality resources, and mobile access. You can purchase a course individually, or you can purchase all courses for a one-off discounted fee. This way you can cruise with ease from beginner to upper intermediate level with no hefty fees, and that's really a bargain. Lifetime access, that means no monthly bills and no subscriptions. so you can have peace of mind and take your own time and just focus on your learning. Exclusive video tutorials. You don't have to scrounge the internet for resources and lessons. It's all waiting for you and accessible at the click of a button. A multitude of ebooks to download. Your own mini library for learning Lebanese. You are covered 100% in terms of written resources and notes. Everything is in English translation and transliteration, as well as Arabic text. More peace of mind if you don't know how to read and write Arabic. You will have the text, translation, transliteration, and the video. There's no silly TikToking and no pointless vlogging, just professional lessons and support all the way. Your time is precious and just what you need to speak Lebanese, and no silly marketing hacks and no spam email. Flexible learning, learn anytime via PC, laptop, tablet, mobile, you choose. Learn on your own terms, on the bus or the train or in the coziness of your own home. Get exclusive free bonus content and giveaways from the best-selling paid resources on the blog. You will certainly enjoy all the freebies. If you're thinking, yes, I want in, visit www.learningarabicwithangela.com/spoken-arabic. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.